Hey, that's Mama Wood Duck right there. Hi, Natalie. Welcome back, Natalie. Oh, Mama. Natalie Wood. She's so cute. We gotta ease her back into the group. All right, see ya. This little girl came over to say hi.
Mama Osprey.
She flew right over us, and I didn't have the camera on.
Mama Osprey.
It's not good that the sun is beating like right in our faces. Bye, Mama Osprey.
Show them wings. Show them wings, girlfriend.
Okay, bye, Mama.